This could be it. This could be it.
Maybe turn the dial on the weapon. And like open up the new.
Yeah. Let's see if this baby works.
This just in, breaking news. Local homeless man has struck a microwave plasma beam onto the ground.
It really is quite a sight, you know. You see all like the fire and crap. I don't really know.
Indeed, Jeffrey. This evening, no witnesses saw this, but security camera footage captured the microwave exploding as a local homeless man laughed maniacally.
Yeah, you know,
The security camera footage was not recovered after the building has caught on fire.
I have to say, I'm still just getting over my third divorce, so it's still been a little bit tricky, but you know, I'm still showing up to work, and it's looking pretty bad over there.
That's a little bit too much, Jeffrey. But back to you, Samuel.
Listen up, everyone. I have the power to bring this city to its knees. And US, I know you're watching. I demand $15 million, or else this building here will be crumbled.
Breaking news and update on the microwave case. A settlement of $15 million has been reached between the U.S. government and the homeless man in fear for the U.S. government possibly losing one of their government embassies.
Wait, look over there. You see that?
It's a light.
I thought it was Jesus.
Did you interrupt me for your schizophrenic activities? Breaking news, local man goes crazy.
Barbara, come back.
Back to you, Samuel.